10 lessons from Jay Shetty's book, 8 Rules of Love, How to Find It, Keep It, and Let It Go. 1. Love is a choice. You don't just fall in love and then it's all set in stone. You have to choose to love your partner every day, even when things are tough. 2. Love is a verb. It's not just about saying I love you. It's about showing your love through your actions. 3. Love is not about perfection. No one is perfect, and your partner is no exception. Accept them for who they are, flaws and all. 4. Love is about communication. You need to be able to communicate openly and honestly with your partner. 5. Love is about compromise. You're not always going to get your way, and your partner won't either. Be willing to compromise to make the relationship work. 6. Love is about forgiveness. Everyone makes mistakes. Be willing to forgive your partner when they hurt you. 7. Love is about growth. A relationship should help you both grow as individuals. Be supportive of your partner's dreams and goals. 8. Love is about letting go. Sometimes love means letting go. If the relationship is not healthy, it's better to end it than to stay in it and be unhappy. 9. Love is about self-love. You can't truly love someone else until you love yourself, so take care of yourself, both physically and emotionally. 10. Love is about gratitude. Be grateful for the love that you have in your life. Appreciate your partner and let them know how much you love them. I hope these lessons help you on your journey to finding, keeping, and letting go of love. Subscribe Dr. Shekib for more.